So our next topic is how to code the title element. The title tag defines the title of the document. The title must be text only and it is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The title tag is required in HTML documents. The contents of a page title is very important for search engine optimization. The page title is used by search engine algorithms to decide the order when listing pages in search results. The title element defines the title in the browser toolbar, provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites, displays the title for the page in search engine results. Here are some tips for creating good titles. Go for a longer descriptive title, avoid 1 or 2 word titles. Search engines will display about 50 to 60 characters of the title, so try not to have titles longer than that. Do not use just a list of words as the title. This may reduce the page's position in search results. So try to make the title as accurate and meaningful as possible. You cannot have more than one title element in an HTML document. Now let's study the syntax of title element. So now let's write a simple HTML code to study the syntax of title element. First, as always, we write doc type declaration. So I've already saved this file with the extension of .html so that it will be easy for me to write the code. Then we have the HTML section. After inside the HTML section, we have the head section. And inside head section, I will write the title section, the title element. And I will give the title to study the syntax of title element. So after the head section, I will write body section, and inside body section I will just write one heading. Have a good day. So that is my HTML code. Control S and save it. Now if I open this web page, you will see that in the browser toolbar, whatever you have written inside the title opening and title closing tag will appear on the browser toolbar. To study the syntax of the title element is what we have written in the opening and closing title tag. So that is how you can write title in your HTML file. Thank you.